Good morning, Tashi Deleg to everyone. Yeah, today, 2023, April 7th, Friday, happened to be the World Health Day. We are celebrating the 75th anniversary of the World Health Day, Health for All. So, wish all of you a very, very happy and very healthy and prosperous life ahead. So, this is a small message that I would like to share with all of you, that how the proper health, complete health, a comprehensive health is important. Why it is so important? For it, in order to attain almost every kind of worldly activities, be it as physical, be it as spiritual, or it's a material, and health is first. Health comes first. Without health, nothing can be achieved. So therefore, health for all assumes a very, very important kind of factor in our life. To achieve the health for all, to achieve good health for yourself, most important thing is the prevention of the health. How do we really prevent the health? How do we really prevent before we get sick? Before we have to, invest in so many money, so many kind of sufferings. Therefore, prevention is very important. But how to prevent? What is the prevention method? It is not something which you have to invest too big and heavily on that. Most important thing is to, analyze properly. We need to look at the things very positively, very practically. But everything we say in Tibetan medical system, everything boils down to two important factors, that is diet and lifestyle. Diet and lifestyle factors, two most prime important factors which is responsible for maintaining good health. And nowadays we find due to the modern day kind of hectic very hectic kind of period, very hectic, very stressful, very competitive kind of life. We don't find, actually a kind of good organic food or a good time for having a healthy diet, healthy food. We are not able to take food on time, regular interval of time also. Therefore, the whole our biological system, goes into kind of an imbalance. So therefore, very important thing is the proper food. How do we have proper food? And most important thing is the balanced food. In Tibetan medicine, we say, which means all the kind of the nutritious element, 5 cosmophysical element, which gives rise to 6 different tastes in our food. 6 different tastes: sweet, sour, acidic, hot, spicy, bitter, astringent. All 6 kind of different tastes of food should be available with 8 potencies, 8 kind of energy giving potencies. So that's how we define the kind of the balanced kind of food in Tibetan medicine. So in simple terms, we say more the assorted foods, more greens, more leafy vegetables, more particularly try to avoid taking too much of white kind of product nowadays, which are filled with a lot of carbohydrates and gluten's and lactose, which are invariably give rise to so many kind of metabolic disorders. So therefore, try to avoid them, try to have food on time, regular interval of time, and less food. Most important thing is the less food, so that we have enough kind of flow of the energy in the body systems. So flow, our body is a very intricate systems of energy flow. With blood and our own life force energy has to flow. So therefore, less we eat, more space we have in our body channels. Then the flow of the energy, flow of the life force energy is more optimized, which helps to bring a better health, which helps to build our immune systems also. And number 2, the lifestyle issue, very important. Physical lifestyle, mental lifestyle, emotional lifestyles. All these 3 factors had to be taken into consideration. Physically, We need to do a lot of exercises, and to the kind of, as I told you before, to improve the flow of the energy in the body systems. If you do not improve the flow, it is like a traffic blockage in our city, when no vehicle moves, and then all the chaos. Similarly, our body needs the flow of the energy. Therefore, to improve that flow, we need to do physical activities, physical exercise, yoga, asanas, pranayama. In Tibetan we call tsalung exercise, deep breathing exercises that helps to kind of the build up the physical fitness, and also to improve the overall mental and the cognitive functions. So therefore, the lifestyle factors also plays a very important role. So with this, I would like to that kind of the awareness, so that people can really invest more in the preventive measures, and preventive measures to remain healthy, and not only in physical but mental as well. Thank you so much.